morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Standard 7 subject maths. In the previous video lecture I have explained all the basic theories. Now let us start exercise 5.1. Question 1. Find the complement of each of the following angles. Now you see the method is same. You have to remember if complementary angles are given, then sum of both angles is 90 degree. So find out complement of angles, then you have to subtract all the angles from 90. You can check, and whatever you will get the answer, that is your final answer. First 20, so first one 90 minus 20, second one 90 minus 63 degree, and 90 minus 57 degree. Okay, you have no need to draw any angle, no need to take measurement. This is the examples. Okay, find the supplement of each of the following. Supplementary angles, then you have to take 180 degree. So subtract all these three angles from 180 degree. You will get the answer. So supplement of 105, supplement of 87, supplement of 154. Question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So conditions, you know, if sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are supplementary, and if it is 90 degree, then they are a complementary angle. First one 65 degree and 115 degree, add them, you got answer 180 degree, so it is supplementary angle. Second one sum 90 degree, so complementary. Third and fourth 180 degree, so supplementary angles, and fourth and fifth 90 degree, so it is a complementary angle. So what you have to do, two angles are given, you have to add them up. So if you are getting 90 degree, then it is a complementary, and if you are getting 180 degree, then it's a supplementary angles. Question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Complement, again complement, so it is a 90 degree. So one of the angle is x, and here condition is given, both are same, because find the angle which is equal to its complement, so both angles are same. So second one also x, so when both angles are complement angles, so the complementary angles, so their sum is 90 degree. Okay, what is the first condition? One angle is x, second one is also same as first one, because both are equal and both are complementary, so their sum is 90 degree. So here you got equation x plus x, 2x is equal to 90, so x is equal to 45 degree. So 45 degree is equal to its complement. Same as question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Same thing, x plus x, both are same, and supplementary angles, it means it's a 180 degree, that sum is 180 degree. So same as the example number 4, you have to solve it. Okay. Next question 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, again 180 degree. You must have to remember complementary angle, then 90 degree. Suddenly in your mind it should come that supplementary angle 180 degree, complementary angles 90 degree. So angle 1 and 2 both are supplementary angle, it means their sum is 180 degree. If angle 1 is decreased, so this angle decrease, then what changes should take place in angle 2? If angle 1 is decreased, this arm you will move towards this side, so angle 2 will be increased. So if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 will increase with the same measurement whatever you are going to decrease in angle 1. Okay, so both the angles still remain supplementary, and both the angles still will remain supplementary angles. Question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle? Acute, it means 90 less than 90 degree. Okay, so both are less than 90 degree, so their sum will not be 180 degree, so both are not supplementary. Obtuse angle, because both are more than 90 degree, so if 91 plus 91, then also it will be more than 180 degree, So it is also not a supplementary angle. Exactly it should be 180 degree. And right angle, yes, 90 plus 90, both angles are right angles. It means 90 plus 90, you will get 180 degree. So these two angles can be a supplementary angles. Question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45. What is the condition? Complementary angle. Okay, so their sum is 90 degree. Now one angle is 45. One angle is 45. Then what should be other? 90 minus 45 is equal to 45. So its complementary angle is 45 or less than 45. Understood? Here one more thing, let me tell you. 90 degree and one angle is 45 or more than 45. Okay, if it is 45, then other angle will be 45. If it is more than 45, if it is a 46, then here you will get 44. That's why its complementary angle is 45 or less than 45. Okay, now question number 9. In the adjoining figure, here figure is given. First one is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. This angle 1 and here angle 2, both are adjacent. Yes, both the angles have common arm. That is this one. So it is a adjacent angles. Second one, AOC. Here A, O and C. Adjacent to AOE, AOE. No, both the angles do not have any common arms. Okay. So it is not a adjacent angles. Third one, COE. COE. This is a COE and EOD. EOD. So first angle and this is the second. Form a linear pair? Yes. Here you can see they form a linear pair. Okay. Because their sum of both the angles will be 180 degree and their one arm is common. This one is common and other two arms facing each other, means opposite to each other. Then only linear pair will be formed. Next example. Next question, BOD, here BOD, this is the BOD, and DOA, DOA. Both are supplementary, yes, because some you will get 180 degree and one is the common arm and another one is the opposite arms to each other. This examples, if you want to understand, then that basic concept I have explained, basic theories, what are the supplementary angles, how it formed, 3 points, properties that you have to understand. Fifth one, is angle 1 is vertically opposite to 4? Yes. You can see that this lines are intersecting each other. So this angle 1 and 2 both are opposite, vertically opposite. Sixth one, what is the vertically opposite angle of 5? Here is angle 5. So its vertically opposite angle is COB. Why it is written COB? Because here one common angle is not given. 2 and 3 is given. Like that 6, this is the angle 6, it is not given. So in the form of this COB, that also you can write. So today we are going to finish this lecture yet now. From question number 10, we will see in the next video lecture. Thank you.